my cord, and I'm gonna try to make some awls for to take with me this weekend. Let's see. Let me find my tongs. I don't know how good this is gonna work. Put it in here. Let me get my glasses so I can see. Well, when you put it on there and it's cold, that thing's cold, so it quickly changes. Let's see. Should have done this quicker. I made this twister a long time ago. Let's see. Get hot again. Need more hands. That looks pretty good though, look at that. That's kind of like what I want. Woo. Wow, that was hot. Don't do that. Don't do that at home, folks. I can still beat that down. Pretty cool. I think I can make an owl out of it. Now I can see. Yeah, that's good there. I like the way that looks, but I need to fix it. Put this thing in there so I can hold it. Because I want to punch a hole through it. Getting better. Okay. Thing just cools off for you. I'm starting to get frustrated. Got too many irons in the fire tonight. These are probably too hot to touch. Trying to make some awls. Whoop, that one right there is. Let me get me a pair of needle nose. Trying to make a leather, like a leather awl. I wanted to put like a needle, a little hole toward the end of the tip, like so you could put thread in it and, you know, push it through. I want to make one like that, but anyway, so I got started on another one. Let that cool right there. And then I started on right here you can see I took me some 6x6s, and I'm gonna take my draw knife and work this down. And you probably can't see this, but I'm gonna make a fleshing board out of this. Me and my friend Katie, she's doing a mule deer that she got out in Colorado. I think that's where they was, and she's been working on it, and she wanted a fleshing board. So, and I need one because they just give me a deer hide that they got in Virginia. So I put those 6x6s, and it's really sturdy. I mean, I ain't worried about it being strong enough. I just need to take my draw knives and work that around, and maybe take the chainsaw and break that down some. but I think it's gonna work good. And then I'm gonna get these. And then here tonight I've been working on I'm making a bunch of stuff for I'm gonna put on the trade blanket when I go to that event. But see, I made this is out of a deer antler. It's got a little hole right here, and it's gonna be for a bow drill. And then I made this one too. You can put your hand right here on it, and that right there will be for a bow drill. And then I drilled this out for a ferro rod. So you can glue your ferro rod up in that, and that's pretty cool right there. And then I made these. They're just cedar. I use mine for a toothpick holder in my pocket, and then I take this and make this top for it right here. You can take it off, and I put toothpicks in mine, but you could make like a fishing kit or something. And then I may make a couple of strikers to carry too. And I got a couple pieces of flint, and then a couple of bow drill things. And then I got this. This is a big. Oh, my mind went blank. I can't even think of what you call it, but a burl. I think I cut it off of a root of a tree at the creek, and it's walnut. You can see it right there, and it's just a big burl. It's pretty cool. I bet somebody that makes it's walnut's so hard, but that's gonna make something real pretty. It's pretty big. But anyway, I've had all kind of little projects going. I got too many irons in the fire this evening, but it's time to go in and get some rest. But tomorrow I got to get everything ready for the event I'm going to this weekend. So anyway, just gonna show you what I was working on tonight. I'm always working on something. Here's the deer hide that Katie gave me. I just got it salted. Ooh, it's draining a lot, but I got it salted. I'm gonna roll it up for the weekend and then come back and start flushing it. But anyway, I probably need to put a little more salt on it real quick before I go in the house. Anyway, freak out crap.